There are a few different ways that you can post a message using the online community. The first way is to navigate to the community where you'd like to start a discussion post by clicking on Groups and then My Groups from the main menu bar. If you're part of more than one group, click the name of the one you want to post a message to. You will see the latest discussion posts area, then click Add to begin a new discussion within this group. If you'd like to post a message in more than one group at a time, select another group from the drop-down menu to cross-post to. Please note that only the groups that you are a part of will display, so you can only post messages to groups that you belong to. Enter a concise subject line, then enter the body of your message. At the bottom, you will have the option to attach files to your message if you have a document or resource that you would like to share. Choose your file. These files are then automatically added to the group library for group members to search for and access. The maximum file size of any individual file upload is 1 GB, and when you're ready to send your message, hit the Send button. The other way that you can post a new message is from the main menu bar. Click Participate and then select Post a Message. You'll have to select which group you want this message to be posted to, and you'll only be able to post messages to groups that you are a part of. Enter your subject line, type the body of your message, attach files if you'd like, and hit Send. When replying to a discussion post from the online platform, you have two options: reply to discussion and reply to sender. Replying to the discussion sends your message to all members of that community. Replying to just the sender means only the person you are replying to will receive your message. Be sure to send quick or personal replies like thanks only to the sender. If your reply includes information that would be helpful for other people to know, be sure to reply to the discussion so all group members can benefit from your response.